Hello all, we'll continue with the 8th part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So here we have done this thing, the exterior part over here. So let's start texturing it. So as we have textured this part over here, so we need to give some kind of a white color. So what we'll do is we can just select this, we'll select all these objects and we'll texture it. Just select it. So we need to select each and every part of it. So just go into this standard. Again, we'll take a Vray material over here and we can give a white color to it. You can just assign a color. So you can just select all these elements. So you can just select it and just assign the color accordingly. So after you are done with this step, so you can just check the reference. So we need the same color for the window panes as well. So you can select this, you can go into this front and you can just subtract this all. Okay, so you can just select all this stuff. So if you like to add something to it, you can. So now add a white color. Press Ctrl I to inverse it, and if you want to make it look like a glass, not more refraction but you want more as a reflection, so you can give a bit of a reflection as well and click OK. So once you apply it, so it will get applied in the manner as you want it. So select this bottom part as well and we can assign the same color to it. So as you can see over here, this part you can make it as a white. If you want, sorry, you can just select this. If you want to make it as a white color, and if you have any kind of brick texture with you, so you can assign a brick texture to it. So if you can easily assign a brick texture. So you can go into this material standard V-Ray, and you can, if you have any kind of a brick texture, you can assign a brick texture, or you can take a eyedropper tool and you can just pick the color. So if you need any kind of a bump, you can add the bump into it. So that can be easily done into it. So you can select this part, go into material, and let's assign this over here. For the steps also, you can assign the same color. So you can assign the same color to the steps as you want. So you can just fill the colors, you can assign the textures using this V-Ray. So the same part over here for the window pane, you can just select it. Sorry, you can just select this for this. Okay, subtract this, go into material, assign it, Control I to inverse it and assign this material. So after you are done with it, or if you want to put any kind of stuff over here, so you can easily go into this, unwrap UVW, you can take this polygon out from here, use a quick planar map, open UV editor, you can, if you want to unwrap it, or if you want, so you can just save it, render UVW template, just render it, you can just save it in this UVs folder, and save it. Okay, so let's open Photoshop. So you can import that UV over here. The UV which you have saved over here, open that, just open it in this manner, take this texture over here, so you can Press enter, close this, save as it, and save it. So same thing can be done as we have done with the previous one. So go into material and you can go into the standard Vray material bitmap and go into this UVs and call the texture where you have painted. Okay, so as you can see, the texture is perfectly done. So you can just press Ctrl I, inverse it, and assign the texture which you require over here. So as you can see now, so you have assigned this texture. If you still require some other texture to be assigned over here, so that can be easily done. So let's do it. So assign a white texture. If you want to assign a white texture at the corners of all the objects, so that can be done. So you can just select all these elements and you can assign a white texture. Simple. Just select it and assign the texture. So as you can see, we have easily assigned the texture as we require it. We'll just assign the oops, I was extremely sorry. So let's take it as a white color over here. Okay, that's it. So thanks for watching this tutorial.